Yeah, right.
Look,
I want it.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm dead serious. I wanted the car.
Freedom Street Garage, welcome back. My name is Alex. If you're joining us today, you've likely seen the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing that we gave away to a gentleman named Michael Torres. Insert photo here. Insert another photo. Insert a video of it launching. Michael Torres out of Las Vegas, Nevada was the winner of the CT5-V Blackwing, and we sent him home with a GoPro, and the footage that he got is pretty funny. Roll the clip.
I'm gonna tell him to rent a car. Huh?
You rented a car.
Who I rented?
You rented it?
Yeah, look.
Yeah. The beach
It's a Blackwing.
was supercharged?
Yeah. They're able to rent it. Yeah. It's dope, huh?
I got some balls, huh?
It does.
Estás echando mentiras.
¿De qué madre?
Del.
Yeah, right.
Look,
I want it.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm dead serious. I wanted the car.
How the fuck you winning?
On YouTube. On a giveaway.
Get the fuck out of here.
It's legit.
Where did you pick it up from?
San Diego.
Oh, fuck, ese carro está bien caro, man.
¿Usted?
That's a supercharged. Let me see, pop the hood.
Supercharged LT4.
Badass. What did you have to do to win it?
I spent $40. I bought the membership. It came with a t-shirt and I bought a sticker pack. Press the brake, turn it on. Oh, hold up.
Yeah.
Press the B button.
The what?
Press the B button. Now rev it.
Turbo button or what?
It opens the exhaust button in sport in the sport mode. Look at the miles. Bottom left corner.
233?
No, bottom left corner.
bottom left.
Oh, 7,000? Congratulations, dude. Very nice.
Drive it.
Yeah.
Pause it.